Hello, in front of me I've got SwitchBot Lock. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with SwitchBot app. In the beginning, install and open SwitchBot app. Make sure that your device is turned on. Tap to sign in. Agree. Got it. Now go to Home and add device. Select Lock. Next. Select name and pick a room. Create room. Tap next. Tap next. And now calibrate your device. Close your door and lock your device manually. Then tap next. Now unlock. Tap next. Open your door and lock your SwitchBot lock. Test unlocking. Test locking. Tap done. Tap next, next, next. Got it. And it's set. Now you can go to your device settings and manage it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.